have gone. The boy
I'm sorry, but I just...
crying, the girl who gave up trying. This is for the lonely ones.
Scary idea, huh? One of our dragons might just one day go back to the wild?
Yeah, I am just like you.
You'd never do that to me, would you, bud?
I have been there too.
I didn't think so.